Nexplore is an in-person enrichment provider for pre-K 3 to 12th, with over 18 years of experience, serving more than 1,200 sites nationwide. What excites our partners most is the variety we bring. We offer more than 125 programs and courses across STEM, digital tech, art, life skills, and fitness. Every student can find something they find joy in. We provide a full turnkey solution. Our experienced, trained, and vetted instructors come directly to your site, bringing everything needed for hands-on, project-based learning. Each program runs as a weekly one-hour session, where students build practical skills they can apply in their everyday lives. Nexplore offers flexible ways for schools to engage students year-round. From before and after school weekly classes, to mini camps and full summer programs, to in-house field trips, intercession days, and family engagement events that build community and excitement around learning. We're excited to share some of Nexplore's top programs this year. One of our most popular programs is 3D printing. Students use easy-to-handle 3D printing pens and filament to bring ideas to life, building structures, designs, and inventions right in front of them. They might create a bridge while learning about engineering, or design their own object using geometry and problem solving. We offer 2 complimentary versions of this program, Start Plus for K through 5th grade, and Create Plus for middle and high school. So, the experience grows with the student. In Pottery, students get their hands into the process. They shape, mold, and design their own clay creations, learning techniques like coiling, sculpting, and texturing. You'll see students fully focused, working through the details of their piece, and then lighting up when they hold the finished product in their hands. Every class ends with something real they've created, from bowls to sculptures, built through patience and creativity. On the other hand, RoboCoding sparks the joy of learning technology. Students build and program their own robots, learning how to give instructions, solve problems, and test their ideas in real time. It's hands-on, it's interactive, and it builds confidence as students start thinking like engineers and problem solvers. Another popular program, Energize, is all about movement, energy, and engagement. The students participate in structured games and activities to keep them active, while building teamwork and coordination. It's a great balance to the academic day and gives students a positive outlet for their energy. But here's what truly sets Nexplore apart: our 5C commitment: consistency, competence, communication, creativity, and community. You'll see it in every class. How instructors show up prepared, how students stay engaged, and how programs reflect what each community actually wants and needs. Bringing these values to life, Nexplore is excited to introduce our newest programs and courses: Little Detectives, Little Doctors, Math Explorers, Space Explorers, Wacky Science, Little Scientists, and Young Architects and Builders. Each new program and course is designed to spark curiosity and hands-on learning. If you're looking to bring engaging, hands-on enrichment to your site, we'd love to connect. Use the link here to schedule a discovery call and learn how Nexplore can support your students and your community.